Rolls-Royce, a name that resonates with power, prestige, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. The name conjures images of excellence, precision, and a legacy over a century old. From the gleaming spirit of ecstasy on their iconic cars to the intricate machinery deep within their factories, Rolls-Royce stands as a symbol of British ingenuity. While many think of their luxurious cars, Rolls-Royce's true impact reaches far beyond the road. Their expertise extends into the skies and across the seas, shaping the very infrastructure of modern transportation. This titan of British engineering powers the skies and oceans, building engines that connect continents and drive global progress. Their technology is at the heart of countless journeys, both civilian and military. It's a quiet giant, integral to the UK's technological and economic identity. Few companies have contributed so much to the nation's reputation for innovation and reliability. Rolls-Royce is a hub of innovation, solving some of the world's toughest engineering challenges. Their teams push the boundaries of what's possible, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The next time you fly, there's a good chance the jet engines were made by Rolls-Royce. Their engines power thousands of flights every day, ensuring safety and efficiency at 35,000 feet. Their work is critical to aviation, defense, and power systems worldwide. From fighter jets to energy plants, Rolls-Royce technology is trusted where it matters most. But the world is changing. Climate crisis and digital revolution demand new solutions. The pressure to innovate has never been greater as society seeks cleaner energy and smarter systems. For a legacy company like Rolls-Royce, it's adapt or be left behind. The future belongs to those who can evolve, embracing sustainability and digital transformation. Now the company stands at a new frontier, sustainability and intelligence. They are investing in renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and next-generation technologies. Rolls-Royce is embarking on a journey that could redefine its future, and the future of British industry. Their vision is bold, their ambition limitless. By combining nuclear energy and artificial intelligence, they're planning to build not just better engines but a new kind of energy and technology infrastructure. This could revolutionize how we power our world. This bold vision could propel Rolls-Royce to unprecedented heights, making it the UK's most influential firm. The world is watching as they shape the next era of engineering. This is where our story begins, a story of transformation, ambition, and the relentless drive to engineer a better tomorrow. Let's journey together into the fascinating world of nuclear energy, where science and innovation meet to shape our future. We'll travel to the very center of matter, to the building blocks that make up everything in our universe. At the core of every atom lies a nucleus, a tiny but mighty cluster of protons and neutrons held together by the strongest force in the universe, the nuclear force. Nuclear energy harnesses this immense power through a process called fission, splitting apart heavy atoms like uranium to unleash energy stored for billions of years. When a nucleus splits, it releases a tremendous burst of energy and additional neutrons, which can go on to split more nuclei, creating a self-sustaining chain reaction. Inside a nuclear power plant, this heat is used to boil water, producing steam that spins massive turbines and generates electricity for our homes and industries. It's an elegant process, like a cosmic kettle on a stellar scale, quietly powering our modern lives. Our civilization is hungry for energy, but burning fossil fuels to meet this demand has driven climate change and polluted our air. Nuclear power offers a clean, reliable alternative, producing vast amounts of electricity with virtually no carbon emissions or air pollution. In fact, a single uranium fuel pellet, smaller than your fingertip, can generate as much energy as a ton of coal, making it incredibly efficient. Rolls-Royce is chasing this promise, not with giant sprawling plants, but with a new generation of small modular reactors, or SMRs, designed for the future. SMRs are compact, factory-built and engineered to be safer, more affordable, and more flexible than traditional reactors, opening up new possibilities for energy access. Instead of relying on one massive power station, you could have SMRs quietly powering factories, remote communities, or even critical data centers wherever energy is needed most. It's a true democratization of atomic power, delivering clean, reliable, 24/7 energy to people everywhere, without the heavy carbon footprint of the past. Rolls-Royce's SMRs could transform how we power our world, making energy more accessible and sustainable for generations to come. This is the foundation for their next leap, a bold step toward a cleaner, smarter energy future. The future of energy is small, smart, and sustainable, with nuclear, solar, and wind working together in harmony. And Rolls-Royce is leading the charge, driving innovation and progress in the energy sector. The atom is just the beginning. Unlocking its secrets could power our world for centuries to come. Now let's shift our focus from the tangible world of atoms to the invisible world of information, artificial intelligence, or AI. This is a realm where machines don't just process data, but actually learn from it, adapt, and evolve. AI isn't just a concept from science fiction movies, it's already deeply woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. At its core, AI is about building systems that can learn, recognize patterns, and make decisions, sometimes even faster and more accurately than humans. Imagine AI as a tireless assistant, sifting through mountains of data, tirelessly searching for insights and connections that humans might overlook or simply not have time to find. Through machine learning, computers can teach themselves by analyzing vast amounts of information, constantly improving their abilities with every new piece of data. For example, to teach a computer to recognize a cat, you don't give it a set of rules. Instead, you show it millions of pictures, and it learns the subtle patterns and features that define a cat, all on its own. This remarkable ability to learn from data is what makes AI so transformative, allowing it to adapt to new challenges and improve over time. For Rolls-Royce, AI is the second key ingredient for the future, a powerful tool that's reshaping how we design, build, and maintain complex machines. Consider this. Jet engines generate enormous amounts of data every second: temperature, pressure, vibration, and much more, all streaming in real time. A human can only monitor so much at once, but AI can watch everything, all the time, never missing a beat or a warning sign. It learns the unique heartbeat of a healthy engine, constantly comparing new data to past patterns, and can predict failures before they happen, preventing costly downtime. This predictive power is a true game changer for safety, efficiency, and reliability, helping engineers make smarter decisions and keep machines running smoothly. AI turns raw data into actionable foresight, revealing trends and risks before they become problems. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them, giving them superhuman insight and the ability to make better choices faster than ever before. In the Rolls-Royce vision, AI is the brain behind the machine, driving innovation and progress. The future isn't just automated, it's intelligent, and it's already here. Now we reach the heart of the story. What happens when you fuse clean nuclear energy with the optimizing power of AI? Rolls-Royce is finding out. Their strategy uses AI to design, build, and operate small modular reactors. AI runs millions of simulations, finding the safest, most efficient reactor designs. Once built, AI becomes the reactor's guardian, monitoring sensors, learning its unique signature, and predicting issues before they arise. Predictive maintenance makes nuclear power safer and more reliable. The synergy flows both ways. SMRs power the AI systems that manage them. Data centers running advanced AI need huge amounts of energy. SMRs provide it, carbon-free. Pairing a data center with an SMR creates a self-contained, carbon-neutral, high-performance ecosystem. This is the ultimate fusion atomic power fueling intelligent machines. Let's see this fusion in action. Imagine autonomous cargo ships powered by onboard Rolls-Royce SMRs. No refueling, no emissions. The ship's AI manages navigation, weather, and maintenance, optimizing every voyage. In factories, SMRs power AI-driven robots building next-generation jet engines. AI oversees production, tracks components, and ensures perfect quality control. The result: efficient, 24/7 manufacturing with zero carbon emissions from power. This isn't just better, it's a new industrial model. Clean power and smart production working in harmony. Rolls-Royce is setting the standard for the future. How does this technology fuel growth? By mastering the SMR AI ecosystem, Rolls-Royce becomes an indispensable provider of clean energy and applied intelligence. The market for SMRs is exploding. Countries need clean, reliable power. Rolls-Royce can sell SMRs to grids, factories, remote communities, and data centers with long-term support managed by AI. Their industrial-grade AI is valuable on its own, capable of managing critical infrastructure. Rolls-Royce could license this technology to other industries, from chemical plants to logistics networks. The more SMRs they sell, the smarter their AI becomes, creating a powerful feedback loop. This synergy allows Rolls-Royce to dominate two interconnected global markets. They're not just building engines, they're building the foundation for the future. This is the path to becoming the UK's largest and most important company. The impact goes far beyond profits. A national SMR program would spark a renaissance in British manufacturing and engineering, creating high-skilled jobs across the country. It would attract global talent and help the UK lead in advanced technology. Clean, affordable energy would draw new industries and investment. Replacing fossil fuels with nuclear power means cleaner air, a stable climate, and a healthier planet. Rolls-Royce would be at the heart of this green transition. The UK would gain energy security and global influence as a leader in SMR and AI technology. Rolls-Royce becomes a symbol of a forward-looking, innovative Britain. The journey isn't without challenges. Public perception of nuclear power is shaped by past fears. Building trust is crucial. Modern SMRs are designed with advanced passive safety systems. Communicating these innovations openly is key to public acceptance. Regulatory approval is rigorous, but necessary for safety. The UK must streamline certification while maintaining the highest standards. Nuclear waste is a challenge, but volumes are small, and plans for safe disposal are in place. Addressing these issues transparently will ensure the long-term success of the SMR program. The path forward requires vision, trust, and collaboration. We stand at a crossroads. Energy and intelligence are merging. Rolls-Royce's vision is to build a foundation for a clean, intelligent, sustainable civilization. This is more than a business plan. It's a roadmap to a new industrial age. By fusing nuclear power and AI, Rolls-Royce can solve critical global challenges. Clean energy, intelligent systems, and economic prosperity are within reach. For over a century, Rolls-Royce defined mechanical excellence. Now it can define the future. The goal isn't just to be the UK's biggest firm, but to power Britain's transition to a high-tech, sustainable future. The cosmos inspires us. Mastering the atom and the algorithm can build a brighter world. The journey has begun. Rolls-Royce and the UK are reaching for a stellar future.